It is day 8 since my daughter and I switched over to this Presto toilet paper here, and our first roll just ran out. Now usually that means we'd have to run to the store to go get some more toilet paper, but thankfully I found this is a great way to restock on Amazon. And this box is roughly 10.5 inches deep by about 22 inches wide by about 12.5 inches tall. You can see that it's arranged into 4 packs of these 6 big rolls. This blue package ultra soft variety is really soft and plush, and I like this patterned paper here too. It's a 2-ply paper. You'll see that these rolls are about 4 inches wide with a diameter of what looks like 5.25 inches, and it looks like the diameter of the inner tube is about 1.75 inches. And each piece of toilet paper is cut into a 4x4 square. So these are unbleached and they're not made with any harmful substances, thankfully. They're also unscented, and they seem to have lint control, which is good for both myself and my young daughter. Now a full roll does fit into my standard TP roll holder here that's probably 70 years old. It's a little snug at first, but once I use it a few times, then it starts rolling smoothly. You can see when it gets wet, it doesn't leave dust behind, but it can tear a little bit. And I haven't noticed any significant buildup of lint where you wouldn't want it. Now thankfully this isn't the kind of paper that's going to bleed through. Just see how well it protects you from this peanut butter here. Now any paper will tear under significant pressure, but I haven't had any major tears that have sent an unfortunate finger into a freshly made mess. Sticking with our peanut butter theme, here's an empty jar that I filled with water. Let's put this TP into it and see how long it takes to dissolve. There's 10 seconds. Look at that, it's mostly broken up already. So within 30 seconds, it's easily broken down. And it was pretty much already broken down within 10. So you've seen how well it dissolves. That means it's gonna be totally fine for any kind of sewer, but it's also good for septic systems, and I'd say this could even probably be used in some RV systems as well. This is also good for anyone with a sensitive undercarriage. My young daughter still thinks that we're using a comparable major brand that you'd find in like a big box store. I could also see using this on babies, but I would still again recommend wet wipes for that. It's also good for anyone who wants to just stock up on toilet paper, or maybe has a big family, because it comes in a nice convenient big box. And if there's any negatives to having all this toilet paper, it's that when I was a kid, I loved to TP other people's houses. It was because there was no internet and I lived in a village and there was nothing to do. And so now that I have this huge box of toilet paper on me, I kind of want to decorate my neighbor's trees.